In this video, you will discover the one secret that no one taught you as a child. If you'd known this earlier, your life could have been completely different. We're going to break down the key concepts successful people understand, the mistakes most people make, and how you can start applying these principles in your life today. The one thing no one taught you. There is one thing that successful people understand deeply, but most of us never learn as children. This knowledge shapes their mindset, decisions, and actions throughout their lives. It's all about how you think, how you approach challenges, and how your mindset influences your future. Understanding this early can make all the difference in your success. Successful people think differently, act differently, and live differently. The key to their success lies in the way they perceive the world and the choices they make. They focus on long-term growth and making choices that align with their goals, rather than seeking instant gratification. This shift in thinking is essential for achieving financial freedom and overall success. How this secret shapes your future. Let's break down how this mindset affects your future. People who don't understand this key concept often make the same mistakes over and over. They believe that success comes from luck or external factors. But the truth is, success is a result of consistent action, smart decisions, and the right mindset. People who succeed think of challenges as opportunities to grow. They embrace failure as a learning experience rather than something that holds them back. By shifting your mindset, you open up new possibilities for yourself. You start to make decisions that will lead you toward the life you want to live. This mindset shift is a game changer. Successful individuals have a strong vision of their future and take the necessary steps to get there. The steps to apply it in your life. Now, let's talk about how you can apply these principles in your life. The first step is realizing that your thoughts shape your actions and your future. The second step is to take full responsibility for your actions and decisions. It's easy to blame others, but the truth is that you control your life. The third step is to develop daily habits that align with your goals. This includes setting clear goals, staying disciplined, and taking consistent action toward achieving them. Small changes in your daily routine can lead to big results over time. Start by focusing on one habit you can improve today and build from there. Mindset is something you can train, just like any other skill. The more you work on developing the right mindset, the more it becomes a natural part of your life. You can start applying this right now by changing your approach to challenges, focusing on long-term success, and taking action on your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is right now. Every decision you make brings you one step closer to the life you want to create. Success isn't about luck. It's about mindset, consistency, and the choices you make every day. By implementing these steps into your daily life, you can start seeing real results that will transform your future. Take control of your thoughts, take responsibility for your actions, and start making decisions that will lead you toward success. Remember, the key to success is in your mindset and the actions you take every day. Start today, and your future will be brighter. Final thoughts and questions. Now that you've learned about the mindset shift that can change your life, ask yourself these questions. What is one lesson you wish you had learned as a child that could have changed your life? How would your life be different if you had known this earlier? Do you think the people around you have the right mindset for success? Leave your answers in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and continue the conversation with you.